Modulr account application and setup. In this video, we'll show you how to apply for and set up your Modulr eMoney account. Once you've subscribed to Salary and Supplier Payments, you'll receive an email with a link to start your Modulr eMoney account application. As Modulr is regulated by both the Financial Conduct Authority and Central Bank of Ireland, you need to provide certain details about your business. Having these details to hand will help the application process. Modulr eMoney account application process. To start your application, open the email confirming your subscription to Salary and Supplier Payments, then click Agree and Continue. Enter the email address used to subscribe to Salary and Supplier Payments and click Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to create a Sage account. If you already have a Sage account, click here, then enter your email address and password. If you don't have a Sage account, complete the details requested in the form and click Sign Up. If you're asked to verify your email address, you'll receive a code by email. Enter the code here, then click Continue. Your current application will be shown. Click Start, then select your business type. Please note, a business lookup is used for any type of limited company, which pre-populates some details in the application for you. Enter your business name and click Continue. Work through the sections listed on the left. Once each section is complete, it will be marked with a green tick. You can return to a section at any time to change the information entered. Prior to submitting, please double-check the details entered are accurate and genuine. The last step is to complete the application process. Select the checkbox to confirm you're authorised to complete the application, then click Confirm and submit all information. Receipt of the application will be confirmed by email from Modulr. The application review process usually takes 2 working days, subject to the correct information being submitted. If Modulr require any further information while reviewing your application, you'll receive an email from clientonboarding@modulrfinance.com. Modulr eMoney account onboarding process. During the application process, an admin user is assigned. Once all verification checks are passed, the admin user receives a welcome email to complete the account setup. This should be completed within 48 hours of receiving the email. As part of the onboarding process, an app called Twilio Authy is required. This provides an extra layer of security and is used to authenticate access and manage payees and payments in Modulr. Twilio Authy is available to download on both iOS and Android devices. You'll find download links at the bottom of the welcome email. First, download and register the Twilio Authy app on the device of your choice. Then, to complete the setup process, click Complete Setup on the welcome email and sign in using your Sage account details. You have now learned how to apply for and set up your Modulr eMoney account.